Want to set up a TikTok shop but don't want the hassle of dealing with inventory or risking your own cash on an upfront investment? This video is for you. I'm going to talk you through how to set up a TikTok shop, connect it to Gelato's print-on-demand platform, set up shipping, and start selling. Now, this video is for people selling in the US. If you're selling in the UK, click the link below. Let's get started. Hey there, it's Megan from Gelato. Let's walk through how you can launch your print-on-demand business on TikTok using Gelato. Here's how you can get started. Step 1, create your Gelato and TikTok shop accounts. To get started, head over to gelato.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Complete the setup and navigate to your Gelato dashboard. Now, for the TikTok shop, this is a bit different from a regular TikTok account. You'll need to sign up for a TikTok shop seller account to start selling products. To sign up for TikTok shop, visit the TikTok Seller Center and select the US Marketplace. You can sign up using your TikTok account, email, or phone number. Be sure to confirm the market is set to the US since our Gelato integration currently supports sellers shipping to the United States. Once you've signed up, TikTok may ask for identification verification details like a passport or driver's license, as well as tax information. Fill out the necessary fields and complete your account setup. Once completed, it will take TikTok 2 to 3 business days to verify your account. Once verified, head back into your account to complete the remaining steps. Step 2, set up your warehouse and shipping settings in TikTok Shop. Now that you've got your TikTok Shop account set up, let's move on to setting up shipping. Before you can start selling, you'll need to create a shipping template for your US-based TikTok Shop. Here's how you do it. Add your warehouse addresses. First things first, click the Store button in the top right corner, go to My Account, Account Settings, and then Warehouse Settings. You'll need to enter both a pickup warehouse address and a return warehouse address. If you're in the US, we recommend using the address in the description below for the pickup address. For your return address, to reduce any disruptions to your business, you might want to have any returned products sent directly to you. This way, you can either resell them or repurpose them for marketing efforts, such as social media giveaways. To set this up, simply use your home or business address as the designated return location in your TikTok account. If you don't want to receive your returned items, you can use the same address as the pickup warehouse. Once you've entered the address, just click Save and you're all set. Now, in your TikTok Shop dashboard, go to Orders, then navigate to Fulfillment Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Under this section, you'll find TikTok Shipping. Select Switch option to access more shipping settings. Here, make sure to choose Seller Shipping. Why is this important? Well, selecting Seller Shipping ensures that Gelato receives all the necessary shipping details so we can fulfill your orders correctly. Without this, your orders won't be processed properly. Next, let's create your shipping template. Click Create New Template, and this is where you can configure your shipping information. We recommend selecting the quantity-based option, which allows you to set flat shipping rates for your products. For example, if you want to charge a flat $5 shipping fee for all your items, you can set that up here. If you already have shipping rates set in your Gelato account, feel free to use those. To find more information about Gelato's shipping prices, including flat rates, you can check out our shipping documentation linked in the description below for more details. Once you've set everything up, don't forget to save your template. You'll be able to reuse this template for any future products you add to your TikTok shop. Step 3. Connect Gelato to your TikTok shop. Now that your warehouse and shipping are set up, it's time to connect Gelato to your TikTok shop. Head back to your Gelato dashboard, click on Stores, and scroll down until you see TikTok Shop. Select Connect and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between TikTok and Gelato. Make sure to confirm that you're setting this up for the US market. Once you authorize the connection, Gelato will be linked to your TikTok shop, and you can start syncing products from Gelato's catalog. Step 4. Add products to your TikTok shop. Now, for the exciting part, choosing what products to sell. Gelato has curated a selection of products that are perfect for fast fulfillment, and we are confident they can be fulfilled with TikTok service level agreements, SLAs, for shipping. This ensures that your customers get their orders quickly, keeping them happy and reducing the risk of your store getting penalized by TikTok for delivery times not meeting TikTok's SLAs. Browse through the Gelato catalog, where you can see which are available for TikTok. Then choose your product and start customizing. Use Gelato's intuitive design editor to add your own designs or choose from our range of clip art and customizable patterns. Once you're happy with your design, click Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to select mock-up styles to display your products on TikTok. Gelato offers a wide range of realistic mock-up scenes. You can select your main product image as well as the mock-up style for your variations. Once you've selected your mock-ups, move to the next page to enter the product title and description. Once you've filled in the product details, click Continue to move on to pricing. On the pricing page, you'll see the product cost, shipping costs, and the estimated profit based on your pricing. You can adjust your profit margin based on how much you want to earn per sale. Use the controls provided to increase or decrease your price as needed. Once you've set the price, click Continue to Review in the top right corner. Double-check everything looks okay, then go ahead and publish. Please note that it might take some time for your product and product variant images to appear on your TikTok shop and in the Gelato dashboard. You can see the status of your product in your store page within the dashboard. Now head over to your TikTok shop where you'll see your new product listing. Double-check your product descriptions, set your pricing, and ensure that your shipping template is correctly selected. When you're satisfied, hit Activate. Congratulations, your products are now live on TikTok Shop. Step 5, set up billing and payments. When a customer places an order on TikTok, Gelato will handle the fulfillment and you'll get paid directly through TikTok. Keep in mind that TikTok Shop charges seller fees, which is a commission fee calculated on your order. You can find a link to current seller fees in the description below. To ensure that your orders are processed smoothly, go to your Gelato dashboard and set up your billing method under Billing Settings. Add your payment method so that when a customer places an order, you can cover the cost of fulfillment immediately. In your TikTok Shop dashboard, don't forget to set up your payout method under Account Settings to receive payments directly to your bank account. Just go to Bank Accounts and fill out your details. That's it. You're now ready to sell your products on TikTok using Gelato's print-on-demand integration. With our TikTok-ready catalog, fast fulfillment, and seamless integration, reaching TikTok's massive audience has never been easier. Make sure to regularly add new designs and keep your store active to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. You can find links to more resources in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates on growing your print-on-demand business with Gelato.